Congolese chicken with peanuts. A main dish from Congo. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Prepare the green peppers while the chicken is baking. In the Congo, the green peppers are actually burned in the fire until they are quite black and then cooked with the chicken. Step 2. Cut the chicken into quarters. Step 3. Brush the chicken with 4 tablespoons melted butter and sprinkle it with salt. Step 4. Arrange the chicken quarters on a baking sheet breast side down. Step 5. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and turn them over breast side up. Step 6. Blend peanut butter with mayonnaise. Brush this mixture over the chickens to cover completely. Step 7. Bake for 15 minutes longer until the chicken is done. Remove it from the oven. Step 8. Sprinkle peanuts uniformly over the chicken. Step 9. Blanch the green peppers in boiling water until the skins loosen. Step 10. Remove skins and seeds and cut peppers into 1-inch strips. Step 11. Sauté the peppers in just enough vegetable oil to keep them from burning and until quite dark brown. Step 12. Sprinkle the sautéed peppers around the chicken upon serving. Step 13. Serve with yellow rice on a large platter. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.